Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you to Narita International Airport serving Japan. The local time is 4:23 p.m. Wednesday, April 22nd. We will be taxiing to our gate within the next few minutes. As you please remain seated, seatbelts fastened. The captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign at that time. Please look for your personal belongings. Please caution while opening the overhead bins. The contents are shifted during the flight. Please make sure you look in the seat pockets and other storage areas. For our passengers who will be going on our flight 853 to Taipei, your scheduled departure time is at 6:15. And you will need to go ahead and collect all of your belongings. Once again, please have all of your documents in order for the inspectors upon our arrival. Today we will be arriving at gate 42 in Terminal 1. Customers connecting to domestic locations must clear immigrations and customs in Narita.